Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me is Sony Xperia device, and now I'm gonna show you how to use several WhatsApp accounts on one device. So unfortunately, Sony devices has no dual space feature integrated into system, and to use several WhatsApp accounts we need to trick in. For example, let's log in into one WhatsApp account. Hello, and now we need to enter the number of WhatsApp account of the SIM card is inserted in this device. In my case, it's 531-486-916. Click next. I need to switch it. 5, 8, I hope it's 5. Verify via SMS. Cool, verification was completed successfully. And skip, I don't want to do it. That's cool. And now I have only one WhatsApp account on my device, and unfortunately I can't add another one on the same application. And we have to resolve how to add another account. So first resolve is to download the any dual space application. So to do it, so just enter dual space in the Play Store, and here you will see several dual space apps. I can suggest you 2 accounts, multiple account dual space, or parallel space. Parallel space is the most popular application after the multi-app dual space, but they are not free, as you can see. Those applications contains ads and in-app purchase. It means that you will need to pay for some features, for example, for removing the advertisements. So how to do it without how to use several WhatsApp applications without ads and without paying for something. To do it, you just need to download official WhatsApp business application. Just find WhatsApp business and download it. And click open. Click agree to continue, and it's asking me to add the same mobile number that I have in normal WhatsApp application, but I want to add another one. So I want to add number from my another phone. To do it, I need to enter 531-486-903. Okay. I need to confirm the password. Oops. It's not too easy, that means 559. And now I'll get the SMS number. So great, I think I have got the message from WhatsApp, yes. And here I have the WhatsApp business code 937609. Enter this number. And it's cool, verification complete. Click continue, allow everything. And choose category, click other business, and just skip this step. Get started or not now. You can set it up, you can set up your WhatsApp Business, you can connect it to your private messenger to duplicate Messenger and WhatsApp application, but you don't need to do it. And cool. And now I can send a message from this number to another my number. For example, I will add the contact and I'll add it to this device. For example, I will send the message, so test to my number. So here I have 916. Okay, so 531. I'll try to do it. And cool. And now I can send the message from my WhatsApp number to the other one, my WhatsApp number. And cool, that's it. As you can see now in chat, I have WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business. All of these application has different appearance, different colors inside of the applications, but they looks very similar, and they have different icons on the home screen. So here we have WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business. So that's it. In this way we can completely for free use official WhatsApp applications inside one device, in one device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.